all doing? I hope you all are doing good. So today it is going to be a very beautiful vlog. Why it is going to be a beautiful vlog? What's
Christmas Day! I'm hungry and I want Christmas book.
Yes, he is hungry and also he wants Christmas gift. So today it's Friday. Okay, so we are going out to DLF Mall after so many
Our
days.
favorite mom.
Husband is a little early from office. He's also a little hungry. So we are going out and we'll see what all things we'll do. Right now the plan is to get some gifts for these naughty kids.
I'm happy.
Okay, these very cute and lovely kids. So
I
we-
got a gift from Mama.
yes, Jeshna already got.
With
So
my own money.
she is my Santa, I'll be her Santa, and Papa and Vatsal vice versa. So let's see what they will choose, and they can get what they can choose whatever they want. One thing. So that's the starting of the vlog, and just stay tuned to see that what all things we are going to today in the evening.
Bye.
So हम लोग निकल चुके हैं और जा रहे हैं. We are on the way to.
Did I also make a picture and a lot?
So yeah, we are on the way to.
Outside. I forgot everything.
On the way to DLF Mall. Yeah. And right now the time I'll show. It's not focusing. Car move कर रहा है. 6 o'clock. Yes. And yes, there is traffic.
The bus is stopped.
Sorry if there's so much of movement because this is the first time I'm trying to use a gimbal to record. Trying to get into that professional mode. So it's a request, if you are watching my vlog, please do subscribe, because number of subscribers, makes me more motivated. Okay, I have to make vlog because there are few people who really want to see things. So yes, I'll be recording the video in DLF Mall, and I'll show that what all things we are doing there.
Can I?
So we have reached the mall. पार्किंग टिकट ले रहे हैं. थोड़ा टेंशन है क्योंकि वीकेंड्स पे इस मॉल में बहुत ज़्यादा रश होता है. तो देखते हैं पार्किंग आराम से मिल जाती है कि नहीं. नॉर्मली तो यहाँ तक पहुँचने में ही इतना टाइम लग जाता है पार्किंग टिकट लेने तक. तो DLF मॉल में 3 लेवल है पार्किंग के, P1, P2, P3. देखते हैं हमें कहाँ पार्किंग मिलती है. पास में मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग भी है, तो अगर चाहें तो वहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हमने सामने देखा तो ट्रैफिक नहीं था इतना ज़्यादा. तो जस्ट थॉट कि चलो लेट्स पार्क हियर ओनली. अगर वीक डेज में आ रहे हैं, सैटरडे संडे में, तो इट्स अ बेटर आइडिया टू पार्क इन द मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग. बस कार्स है, वेट कर रही है अपने अपनी जगह का, कहाँ पे पार्किंग मिलती है. और हम भी इस लाइन में लग गए हैं. देखते हैं कहाँ मिलता है पार्किंग, और उसके बाद यहाँ से सीधे हम लोग सबसे पहले हैमलीज ही जाएंगे, क्योंकि वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम करने आए हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी विल सी व्हाट वी विल डू. किड्स आर एक्साइटेड. अभी हम लोग सीधे 4th फ्लोर पे आ गए और सामने हैमलीज है. फूड कोर्ट को क्रॉस करके दूसरी लिफ्ट से आए हैं. तो सो वी आर फाइनली इन हैमलीज. Yes, go. So kids are really excited. They are going. Let's see. First go to the toy section only.
If you like it, take it.
Yes.
Really like it, take it. Enjoy. Have fun.
This is the place where kids really get, confused what to get. There's a very good play area. So if you want, you can leave your kids here and then do the shopping and all the things which you want. So let me help them to choose their toys. So there's full Christmas vibes, photo with Santa, all, everything is happening. What's it? You do not have to sit on that, baby. You do not have to. It's not real, okay? So where are you going? You stand here, I'll click a picture. What's it? Stand here, I'll click a picture. Come. हैमलेस से ले लिया जो लेना था। जेशना को ज़्यादा चीज़ें पसंद नहीं आई। आई थिंक शी इज़ नॉट इनटू टॉयज एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स दैट मच. So we are out from Hamleys now. Husband is doing the payment there and looking for bookshop because she wants to get some books as usual. So we are going to Om bookshop to get some books for her as Christmas present. She got slime. She wanted that, but now we are going for buying some books. So we got the book. Yes, I wanted to give her a book series. I know she was not interested in that. She wanted to buy something else. But I
wanted to buy The Great Gatsby, the only book with 50,000 plus words and none of them has the letter E.
Yes. So she wanted that. But there was a series in my mind. Like in my previous blog also I said that Harry Potter also I gifted that series to her and she loved it. So I know that she will love this book also. Do you want to show what you got? A series of Holy Black book. There are 3 books. We'll be covering this in later blog. Can you read? What is this?
Burma.
So guys, we are in Burma for dining. It's a good place. Careful. We love the food here. It's vegetarian, but we always have good experience here. So let's see what we will order. Kids are already excited. Everyone is busy watching the menu. So let us order.
Spaghetti.
You got your Christmas present?
Yeah.
Your Santa bought it for you?
Standard did not get it.
Then who is your Santa? Who got it for you?
Papa.
Yes, so he's your Santa. Okay.
But you said you are my Santa.
No. I have to buy a gift for Dida and Papa has to buy it for you. So what you got?
I want the
No, first tell me what you got.
I got the Pooh.
But you already had one Winnie the Pooh.
But that was just a Pooh.
Ah. And
Even cuter.
is he even cuter?
Yeah.
Your Pooh is cuter. And what else you got?
Let me think. I don't know.
You asked Santa for a skateboard, but in Hamleys there was no skateboard, right? And you asked,
They will just get people skateboard.
yes, and you asked Santa for Uno cards because you don't have your own Uno.
And I got Doom.
Look into the camera and tell
I
me.
got Doom. I got Dawn.
Mm.
Did I
Mm.
got Dawn or Doom? Did I
Okay.
got Did I got Dawn or Doom?
Those. Those means 2. Un means 1. Those means 2. Okay.
Do know.
Very good. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yeah, I can have the phone.
Later. So first thing we are having is Burmese falafel. How's it, Jeshna?
I give you a thumbs up.
You give me a thumbs up. It's good. Habu, how's it? Yum. Yes. And we have ordered some. They have very soft pav, bun kind of thing, steamed pav. So we ordered that with mushrooms. And we also had. We are also going to have some stir fry Burmese style vegetable starter. And then after that, later on, we'll decide our main
I'm going
course.
to eat the whole thing with it.
Yes, very
That's very
good.
important.
Yes, finish it.
I also love those.
Candies? Here you go. They are yum.
I love all of those.
Chalo, we are done. So we are leaving, and I think we had some plan of shopping. I don't know we'll do shopping or not because husband is having his meeting. So he's a little busy. It's important meeting. So देखते हैं हम क्या करते हैं अब. So we are done for the day. Sorry for the lighting. I'm in car. We are going back home. it was a beautiful evening and I tried to cover as much as I could. I also bought 2 lowers from H&M because I wanted that. But how was the food, kids? Loudly, how was the food?
Great.
Yeah. Awesome. Food was good. Christmas shopping done. That's what we decided. It was a beautiful evening. There was not that much rush or waiting in the mall, so it's quite good because normally on weekends it's so very much crowded, so that it gets very difficult to get parking.
You guys can actually say that thing is morning, but it's actually night, right, Mama?
Yeah, it's right. Husband, how was the evening? Huh? He's not a person who likes to go out and enjoy, but today we did this after so long, so he was also happy. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Because Jeshna was grounded, that's why everybody was grounded.
Yeah, Jeshna was grounded for 4 weeks for something she did. I'm not going to share that in
My
this.
phone was grounded, so I was grounded basically because I didn't have my phone, and so everyone was grounded.
Yeah, so there was no outing, no dinner outside. So we had fun, a beautiful evening.
And Mama,
Hmm.
next in the morning, let's go to Gold City Mall.
Okay.
Not the shop, the mall.
Okay. So mall done. Everything is done. We are going back home. Time is it's 9:20 now. So we'll be back home by 9:45, 9:50. Yes. And then after that, it's good. Tomorrow is Saturday. Jeshna has to do few projects, and I'll be trying to edit my videos and post them. Let's see what all things we'll do. Husband has to go to office. Husband, you want to say bye? Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.